So can you buy OTC stocks on Fidelity? Can you buy OTC stocks on Fidelity? So yes, Fidelity allows you to buy certain over-the-counter stocks, OTC stocks, commission-free online, but only if you meet eligibility requirements. Not all OTC securities are supported, and restricted categories like gray market, expert market, and caveat emptor are actually blocked. So the short answer is yes, you can buy OTC stocks on Fidelity. So Fidelity supports various stocks, and the restriction is that you cannot buy pink no info, caveat emptor, expert market, and gray market securities. You actually get a zero commission for eligible OTC trades placed online. Phone assisted trades may incur extra fees, and Fidelity actually offers stock screeners, a Trader Plus platform, advanced charting, and mobile trading for OTC stocks. So remember, OTC stocks are speculative, often thinly traded, and less transparent than exchange listed stocks. So just remember that before you start trading.